For the Imo State, the people of the Imo State. The surgery that happened here today was so immensely impactful because it was a very safe, effective prostatectomy procedure. Many men of Imo State can have this procedure again as well. And it is our great privilege to be able to have this partnership to bring this state-of-the-art technology, something that is much more safe and also affordable.
My name is Dr. Prof.Mgbeke, Commissioner for Health. What we have seen here today is magical. The precision of the robots, the artificial intelligence, bloodless surgery, everything done top-notch. And what is made available for Imolites. All we need to do is to just enroll in the Imo State Health Insurance Scheme, pay the 15,000 naira premium, and surgeries like this are free for a whole year. So I want to thank His Excellency for this opportunity. I want to assure him of all the support from the health sector.
It's no longer acceptable for you to have a prostate surgery and be wearing Pampers. So robotic surgery makes it possible that when you have prostate surgery, you will come out, you will have your erection, and you will be able to urinate without any Pampers.
Your Excellency, please, what's the assurance that ordinary Imolites can be able to access this healthcare?
Yeah, that brings me to the global vision of the Imo Medicare. You are encouraged to go and register with the health insurance scheme. It makes it affordable because once you have the card, you are supposed to be treated by this center.